Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus Prediction Tuesday 7th May 2024. Friday 3rd May 2024 South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus draw result number Powerball result number A 28, 31, 33, 37, 44 Powerball number 2 Powerball Plus result number 12, 13, 24, 47 Powerball number 50 Powerball number 14. Tuesday Powerball and Powerball Plus calculation prediction number. Hi YouTube family, welcome to SB Prediction. Today Powerball and Powerball Plus prediction number 1 to 10 3 number prediction. Number 3, 5 and 6. 11 to 23 number prediction. Number 14, 16 and 17. 21 to 33 number prediction. Number 22, 25 and 28. 31 to 43 number prediction. Number 30, 34 and 35. 41 to 53 number prediction. Number 42, 46 and 48. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus prediction repeat number 11 to 23 number prediction 14, 16 and 17. 21 to 33 number prediction 22, 25 and 28. 31 to 43 number prediction 30, 34 and 35. 41 to 53 number prediction 42, 46 and 48. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus Powerball number prediction number 4, 5 and 10. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus prediction repeat number Powerball number 4, 5 and 10. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus prediction complete. Like, share, comment this video, subscribe this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck, see you soon next video.